Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the Safari page zoom on our websites on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In the settings page, scroll down, and in here tap on Safari. Next we go down and tap on page zoom. By default it is set to 100%. Now if you want to increase the page size, you can select say 150 and then swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now I'm going to open up the Safari app, and in here we're going to go back to Google. So in here you can see the Google text images has been increased up to 50%. And if I go back into settings and bring it down to 50%, you can see here now the page font will change. Now I need to refresh the page, and once you refresh the page you can see the zoom has been decreased and everything seems to be smaller. And that's it. And that is how you can change the page zoom for all the websites in Safari app on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.